An extended warranty on your Alfa Romeo can be helpful if you're worried about expensive repair bills. This type of warranty, also known as a vehicle service contract, protects your car or SUV after the factory warranty expires. Alfa Romeo brings a nice splash of Italian design and performance to the American auto market. Whether you're driving the Giulia or the Stelvio, we are certain you love your Alfa Romeo. Why shouldn't this be complemented by the confidence an extended warranty will give you? The quickly rising repair prices of today's vehicles make a warranty a wise consideration. With a Mopar vehicle protection plan backed by FCA North America, you can be assured your warranty will be accepted at any of the Alfa Romeo dealers across the country. A Mopar warranty assures you your Alfa Romeo will only be fixed with genuine Mopar replacement parts. Other benefits to a Alfa Romeo extended warranty include nationwide roadside assistance, available 24 hours a day. This roadside assistance includes flat tire change, towing, low battery jump starts, and even out-of-gas fuel delivery. Chrysler Factory Warranty makes it easy to know you are getting the right warranty for your Alfa Romeo vehicle. You can also be assured you are going to get the best price. Chrysler Factory Warranty makes paying for your warranty easy with no interest payment options. You can shop for your warranty one of two ways. You can visit ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com and review pricing and options on your own. Or call one of our Alfa Romeo Extended Warranty specialists and let them help find the right warranty for you and your Alfa Romeo. Visit www.ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com or call 855-730-1290.